لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق ولا غروب ولا ليل ولا شفق. لأنك الله أحلامي مبللة ببهجة الصبح يسقيها فتنبثق. لأنك الله قلبي كله أمل. لأنك الله روحي ملؤها الألق. هذه أزاهير حقلي منذ أن عرفت.
Assalamu alaikum guys, Eid Mubarak. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sally Rafiat Adeshawa, and you know, as always, I told you I'm going to be giving you juicy stuffs, and today we will be interviewing some of the Muslim brothers and sisters about the haram things they abstain from during Ramadan and how they are going to continue to abstain from it after Ramadan. Stay tuned and keep it locked.
لأنك الله دمعي بات نافذتي نحو السماوات أبكي ثم أنطلق.
What's your name? Habibullah.
Onolapo Rokiba.
I'm a student here in Ibadan.
Mordia Adewara, and from School of Nursing, actually. Badolele.
So, as Ramadan is unfolding, what do you feel about it?
Alhamdulillah, I dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run fún àbáyọrí. I don't feel really good, but I still feel good. I don't have to fast every time, but Alhamdulillah, I love fasting.
Actually, I feel good. Alhamdulillah. But I feel like we should continue.
Well, honestly, I feel kind of like not really satisfied. I feel like I still need to talk to God, many more things. But then, Alhamdulillah. You know, there is a 6 after 30, right?
Yeah.
So, like,
that's all.
how are you planning on fasting that?
You're preparing for that, inshallah.
So, are you planning on plus the one that you hold, plus the other one that you hold? Are you planning on getting them as fast as possible? For now, I'm just going to have like a pause. Actually, obviously, there's supposed to be a pause. But by the grace of God, before Shawwal ends, inshallah. There's this haram thing that I used to do before Ramadan started, but then when Ramadan started, we stopped. So what is that thing that it will be difficult for you to abstain from after Ramadan?
Waking up for Hajj.
Waking up for Tahajjud
Might be difficult.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
But it was actually very easy during Ramadan.
I don't do haram, but I move closer to God.
For real, procrastination. How about your Tarawih? Were you able to?
Yes.
Were you able to
not
complete?
Not everything.
Actually, no. But the last 10 days.
Okay, you did the last 10 days. No. All right.
Were you able to finish your Quran
Yes, yeah.
and complete your Tarawih?
No, not. You know, sometimes when you go out, you come back, sometimes you be stressful. That's why I feel to plan.
Mashallah, barakallah fi.
My name is Mutiat.
Did you finish your Quran during this
Ramadan.
No.
Like, I don't know. Maybe school stuff.
Okay, because of school issue. Okay. So
Actually
how
prepare
about
for my
your
exams.
good?
Hi guys, thank you for staying tuned on the channel today, and I hope you've learned one or two from our people and how they are going to abstain from what they left during Ramadan. I still remain Sally Rafiat Adeshawa, and don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification button, share, like and comment. See you next time. Bye.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق